Tourette's. What?
Hi, guys. Where are we going today, guys? We're going to IKEA. We're going to Canadian Tire because we're gonna go ice skate. So
we're gonna buy
we're gonna buy skates.
The two of them.
She has skates.
Yeah,
I
she
have
has
skates. That's why I'm here.
She made us buy, so
We're gonna go to IKEA because I really want tomato soup, and IKEA has really good tomato soup. And if they don't have tomato soup, I'm gonna crash out.
Are you gonna crash out?
Yes.
I already cashed out, guys. I just had my math final.
I just had my science final, guys.
Okay, see you there. Guys, I almost died.
She almost died.
Yeah, guys, let's not talk about that.
It's almost. It's not dead yet. Almost.
Aria, what'd you get?
I got a venti ice matcha latte. Venti.
What'd you get?
Venti. Ice matcha. She influenced.
I'm good at marketing, guys. Deca things.
Hi, vlog.
We finished eating.
We finished eating. We're now looking at furniture. Oh my god, ito yung stock toy ng aso namin sa Pinas. Ah, Bluey.
My bean is not here.
Your beanies have giraffe.
I'm gonna bleep this.
No,
I'm gonna bleep
giraffe.
this, guys.
It's,
slow.
I didn't get that. Can you repeat that?
No, okay, look,
On
let's
the
explain.
camera,
Let's
say it in the
explain,
camera.
okay? This is
Wait lang.
called.
Hold on.
Hoy, pangalan ah.
Oh, I will bleep. I will edit it out.
So, because
The turtle.
he's kind of slow.
This is-
no. I feel like this should be.
oh yeah.
This is he's giving dark energy.
He's rude.
He's rude too. This can be because he's just This is
Yeah.
because
And this it's their
because yeah because they all they're squishing him.
Okay, I got that.
Yeah, they're suffocating.
Technically, the goal is supposed to look for a mirror because mine broke.
Then where's the mirror?
But I don't know where it is.
Wait, I saw the mirrors there.
But that's
There's one of the mirrors like that.
yeah. I think that's bathroom. Go there.
So where we go?
Get that way.
Can you guys remind me so that we can go at Canadian Tire at 4:50, please?
Okay. There's the mirror.
Guys, we need to take a picture.
We can't use my phone because my phone is being vlogged.
Wait, do you want to look there? Do you want like to see what you think? Do you like this? This is pretty.
That's really pretty.
$74.
I can pay.
Well, not today. No, not today.
Not today, you dum dum.
What? Do you want us to carry this?
How are we gonna take that to the subway, bro?
Okay, we're gonna do this.
It's
No,
doable.
like
No, we're gonna all hold it in a straight line.
what do you call that? To
This-
all the boys
Oh.
when they were in New York.
I would even say yes to this.
That's $349.
Yeah, but it has storage.
But it's too small.
So it's like double the purpose.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, but it's too small.
Yo, guys, let's take a picture here.
My hair's a mess.
Wait, guys.
My hair is a mess.
My hair is a mess.
Can we put them here? Because they're like covering. They're covering mirror.
Yeah, put it there.
Guys, problema naman kayo. Ay.
Not really. No.
What do you think?
What? No, look at Jayan's face. Wait, what do I look like? Wait, that's cute. That's funny.
I don't like your tripod.
Where'd you buy it?
I told you.
I forgot.
At the thing.
What thing?
The one near Tim Hortons.
The what?
The one near, the store near Tim Hortons.
Oh, that thing.
That thing.
Yo, guys, should we go?
Yeah. Where are we going next? Canadian Tire. Hoy, Win, pwede ba dahan-dahan? Nag-vlog ako, di ba? Teka lang. Pag to nahulog, lagot ka talaga sa akin.
They don't love you like I love you.
Wait.
You made it.
At Canadian Tire.
Show the Canadian flag.
Canadian flag.
What if they don't have the size of my feet?
What if they don't have the size of mine?
No, what if they don't have the size of my feet?
Then
No,
that's
they
a
would-
problem.
No, I don't think so. My feet size is 6.5. Now you guys know.
If you guys want to buy Arya shoes,
You guys want to buy me some shoes? Where are we going?
that
I
way.
want to buy.
Arya, you're here for skates. Skates first.
Guys, can we get a cart?
Okay, yeah.
Do we need a coin for the cart?
No, you don't. Wait, Vloggy needs to go sit down. Yeah, that's
Guys, look at our cart.
Jan, if that dies because of you, that's your problem, okay? Look at our cart. Okay, vlog. Sit down, please.
This guys feels like I'm being watched.
On patrol. Okay, let's go.
Guys, should we get a bike?
Yeah, I want to buy, bro.
Can we bike?
Let's go get a bike.
Uuwi yan.
We're gonna ride them.
We're gonna ride them. Going home.
Ride them. Yeah, we're gonna go bike.
Oh. There's a skate stand.
Okay, let's just leave that there.
Sit here. You guys bought skates! Yay! Okay, now I gotta buy salt and a pan.
Guys, we don't skate.
I what?
A what? A clock? I have one of those. Like the microphone card?
Yes.
Okay, let's find pan.
Hands over there.
The eggs, the four pans. Monster cake. Gusto ko dito.
Ako din. Oh, yeah. Oh, they have poached eggs. No more ost. Do you guys know what we're talking about? The thing, the eggs. Where are those?
But they have a whole set.
I don't need a set. I need
They have a
one
10-piece
pan.
set.
Arya wants to show you guys something.
We can't because there are people.
Hang on. She's gonna do it without people. Okay, ready?
Well, I'm such a kid.
Oh my gosh!
that?
It's on sale! It's $5.
Guys, I really want them. Can we try the bike?
You can try that bike. Oh, yeah, let's see.
We can try this one?
Yeah.
It's actually.
Yeah, as long as it's not one of those. Please be careful.
What's like more I can even paddle this.
It's because there's no paddles.
Wait, what? How can you
It's
ride?
balance.
What?
It's for kids who doesn't know how to ride a bike. Jaya. Napagalitan po kami.
Hot Wheels! Should we leave our card here? Oh, it's
That means I have to leave. I have to take the card. Oh, they have a Barbie one.
The what?
Oh, wait.
Guys, look! Oh, I want this!
Guys,
It's a Hot Wheels Barbie! Wait! I want this!
Wait, that's so cool.
Should I just get this and...
And not the skates. Just
yeah,
get
and
this.
not the skates. It's like... I want these. There's some cars, but you're not letting me see. The heck?
Color reveal.
Can you buy this for your sister and play? If I'll play with your sister.
No, I think Jay would like that more than mine.
I'm not buying that.
They have a Mario Kart. Oh, guys!
It's only $129, guys.
Wait, that's not bad at all.
You can see it. It's a Mario Kart. Wait, that's so cool.
Yo, get the end.
That's guys, look at that. Yo, wait. Guys, we're not buying that. Just hope you know that, okay?
Arya?
We're not kids. Okay, Arya, do you want to split this? Hot Wheels, baka naman. If you want.
the skates and just get this.
Hot
Yeah,
Wheels.
and then
No, guys,
Oh,
listen.
Miss Rachel.
Guys, Hot Wheels, if you're watching, baka naman.
baka naman.
You know? Guys, look what happened to Barney!
Yeah. Bro, we should get this for Jay and Jack.
Yeah, I had an Guys, I want this and I'm gonna bring this to school and I'm gonna
I'm gonna bleep that. That's bleeped.
Oh wait, I would have wanted this. It's only $99.
Anna?
Baby alive.
What's that? Oh my god, this is the one that Jason wants!
It's only $99.
Baby Alive.
It's a 21-piece doll set.
Baby Alive.
Not bad at all.
No, listen, guys, I'm getting a PR. Hold on. Baby Alive.
Why are we getting PRs for Baby Alive? You dumb dumb.
Give it to her sister. Yes, bro.
What about me? Yeah, I know. I want this, bro.
They want everything. Pag yan, natamaan yung camera, lagot kayong dalaw sa akin, ha?
Wait, there's smaller box. Wait, I want this. This is only $11, guys. Can we buy this? Ooh, this is $10.
I don't know if I'm with 8-year-olds or I'm with teenage girls.
I want this, guys. Guys, summer. Alam niyo na bibilhin niyo sa akin, ha? Nerf ball.
Oh!
This is only $8 ang dalawa na.
That's cool. What about me?
Ooh. No, this is for the both of you.
Oh.
I'm gonna buy this. Oh no, guys, what?
I want this.
Sure. I want this too. I have two.
Okay.
Juliana, what's yours? What?
Are we buying this?
No.
Let's go. Guys, we have a playground. It's my house.
No.
Our playground's my house.
Bakit kaya? No, half-half. Dalawa na to. Half-half tayo. Yeah. Bro, half-half tayo. Guys, I want to. No, half-half tayo.
A boss.
Yeah, I'm serious. I'm dead ass. Oh, this is a water gun. No, alala niyo yung ginawa sa atin nila. Yung pinalim nila si
It's not us.
Kaya nga, nabasa tayo nun.
Oh, yeah.
Nabasa dito ko ito. Oh, wait, it's Elsa.
Disney, please. Disney, if you're watching this, please.
Why doesn't it look
Disney,
like
please.
Elsa?
She sings.
Of course, Elsa.
Do you guys see that?
Guys, I really want this.
Amazing. This is my life. Every single day.
Pero sa ako na, ito na.
Let's go, vloggy.
Tama itong dalawa. Iniwan niyo naman ako. What? Oh, this is a slide.
Nawawala yung anak ko.
Wait, this is this
Yung isa kong anak nawawala. Ito ba sa vlog yan? Let's go see what they are up to. Wait, I want to see what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? What are you doing? It's the slime. What are you guys doing?
It speaks. Hi. Is it this? Oh, what's it? Hey. She likes mine. What? Hey, talk. I'm done. What? Hello. It doesn't like the spotlight.
Huh?
Barbie and Play-Doh.
Oh, it's Glinda.
Whoa, wait, just let go.
Ew.
Guys, that's just flat for 1 3/4.
Oh, this is what they did the
Jay would
baby.
want this. Jay would want this.
It's Sleeping Beauty.
Oh, Aria, you're gonna get slime. I want slime.
No, I don't think so. My dad's gonna be mad at me.
It's $2, buddy.
And I thank you.
I think you.
You don't even know what she's doing. Diana, you want a la boo boo? Where? The foo foo.
Bubbly.
She's headless. Someone took the body over. Whoever you are, that's not very nice of you.
Guys, that's not very
You guys, you never know. She might have had a family.
Yeah.
She might have had siblings.
Guys, I really want
You want me to show you? Come here.
Oh, la fufu.
It's Babaloo.
Si Babaloo.
Look, go see. She's headless.
Headless Babaloo.
Oh my gosh, Jayana, look, it's for your baby. Arya. Arya.
What is that? What the hell?
For your baby. For your babies.
No! You guys are insane.
Ooh. This is a PSA. Arya does not have a baby, okay? Yeah, you heard that? Her babies are her stuffed toys. What are we doing at a baby section? None of us are pregnant, bro.
Not like, guys, wait, I want to carry one just to see how big heavy it is.
Alam mo talaga kung sino future mother.
This is, actually, it's not that heavy. It's not.
This is boring. This is cute. It's purple. But why are you trying it on? You're like 15 years old, bro.
Okay, so you put the baby.
Bro, you're 15 years old. Why are you trying to figure that out? Are you a batang ina?
Oh, I still have my Starbucks,
Why not,
guys.
guys?
Wait, that one's like difficult. This one like
We don't care, Jayana.
Diana, may sinasabi ka ba?
Gusto mo ba magkabalikan tayo?
What are we trying to say, Diana? Diana. I think you have baby, baby
we should
fever.
get out the snow racer.
I think you have a baby fever. Guys, who do you guys think is gonna be the first one to be a parent?
Jay used to have this. Of course, it's Jayana, bro.
It's gonna be her. But action.
I would
It's
choose this one if I had to choose one. Because it's the easiest to strap on and it looks secure.
And it's not that expensive.
This is way too hard to put on.
Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.
Follow.
Follow us on our social medias. I'll put it somewhere here. And
like
then
and subscribe.
like and subscribe if you want.
If you want. No, not
Yeah. We're not forcing anybody here. But that's it. Do you have any last words?
Just pray for me that I don't get killed by my dad.
Guys, pray for us that we won't die.
Yeah, that's it. So like, bye guys.
Bye guys. XOXO. Mwah.